Question number 12. A 12 volt 24 watt tungsten filament bulb is supplied with a current from N cells connected in series. Each cell has an EMF of 1.5 volt and internal resistance of 0.25 ohm. Then the value of N in order that the bulb runs at its rated power is. Okay, so we are going to use the formula W is equal to V into I. When we divide 24 divided by 12, we get 2 ampere. So finally we are going to get the value of N as 12 here. So the answer for 12th question is power will be equal to 12. That is, sorry, the number of cells connected in series is equal to 12. That is, N will be equal to 12 here. That is given in the option number 3. Question number 13. A ball of mass 0.1 kg is thrown against a wall. It strikes the wall normally with a velocity of 30 meter per second square and rebounds with a velocity of 20 meter per second square in the opposite direction. Then the impulse of force by the ball on the wall is, so we have to again solve this one. Okay, so we are going to calculate the impulse here. Delta P is equal to PF minus PI. 0.1 into 50, we will get 5 Newton seconds. We are asked to calculate the impulse in Newton seconds here. Okay, we got the answer as 5 Newton seconds. That is, option number 4 will be the correct answer for the 13th one. Next question, 14th one. A gun is aimed at a target in line with its barrel. The target is released and allowed to fall freely under gravity. At the very instant the gun is fired, the bullet it always hits the target. The option number 1 will be the correct answer because the vertical downward displacement of both the barrel and the bullet will always be equal. So here the bullet will always hit the target here. That is, option number 1 will be the correct answer. Next one, question number 15. Two bodies of masses m and 4m are moving with equal kinetic energy. The ratio of their linear momenta is. So the relation between linear momentum and kinetic energy is given by P is equal to root of 2m ke. The two masses are m and 4m. Their ratio will be equal to root of m is to root of 4m. So 1 is to 2. The answer for this question will be 1 is to 2, which is given in the option number 3. Next one, question number 16. A given object takes n times as much time to slide down a 45-degree rough incline as it takes to slide down a perfectly smooth 45-degree incline. The coefficient of kinetic friction between the object and incline is given by. Okay, so whoever is watching the video, please like the video, share ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಆದಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡ್ದೇ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ನಮ್ಮ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಮಗೆ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೆಂದಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಸೊ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಿರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ಶಾಟ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಈಗ ನೆನ್ನೆ ತಾನೇ ಡಿಸೆಂಬರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಸರ್ಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಆದಷ್ಟು ಫಿಸಿಕ್ಸು, ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸು ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಹಂಗೆ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಫಾರ್ 16th one is mu k is equal to root of 1 minus 1 divided by n square, which is given in the option number 4. Number 17. If g is the acceleration due to gravity on the Earth's surface, the gain in potential energy of an object of mass m raised from the surface of the Earth to a height equal to radius r of the Earth is. Okay, so the gain in the potential energy delta U is equal to U2 minus U1. Substitute the values of U2 and U1. You will get the delta U value as 1 by 2 mgr. So for 17th one, 1 by 2 mgr, that is mgr divided by 2. This will be the correct answer. Next one, if m is the mass of the Earth and r is its radius, the ratio of gravitational acceleration and the gravitational constant. So to solve this one, we are going to use the gravitational force value here. F is equal to gm m2 divided by r square, and going to obtain the ratio of g by g is equal to m divided by r square. Okay. 18th one, the ratio of g by m, it is equal to m divided by r square, which is given in the second option. M divided by r square is given in the second one. 19th one, the escape velocity for a body projected vertically upward from the surface of the earth is 11.2 km per second. If the body is projected in a direction making an angle 45 degree with the vertical, then the escape velocity will be. In the problem, we are given the escape velocity of the body from the earth's surface. So irrespective of the angle of projection, the escape speed of the body from the earth's surface always remains constant, which will be always nearly equal to 11 km per second. So it's equal to 11 km per second. That is always the escape velocity of the body projected vertically from the surface of the earth. It is always equal to 11.2 km per second. This is the standard value of escape velocity. So it does not change whether it is projected at any angle. Maybe it is at a 45 degree or any other angle. The escape velocity will always be same. That is 11.2 km per second. Next one. If there are no heat losses, the heat released by the condensation of x gram of steam at 100 degrees Celsius into water at 100 degrees Celsius can be used to convert y gram of ice at 0 degrees Celsius into water at 100 degrees Celsius. Then the ratio of y is to x is nearly equal to. Okay. So we have to calculate the ratio of y is to x. Heat lost by x gram of steam is x into 2260 joules. So it is in the ratio 3:1 here, which is in the option. It is given in the option number 3. That is 3:1 will be the ratio of y is to